my channel. This is me Priya here, and I hope you guys are doing perfectly alright. So for today's video I am up with one DIY decor item, and the item that I'm talking about is right behind my head, and that's this one. This is a Cork light bottle which I have made using 3 simple products. And yeah, so in today's video I am going to be giving you the tutorial of how I made this pretty light. Wait, let me show you. So yeah, this is how the light looks like, and this can be hung anywhere in your room or in your house just to make the ambience look more pretty. And as you can see, it looks very aesthetic and very pretty itself. And it took me just 3 simple products to make this. Just this clear transparent glass bottle, some rope, and this cork light which I got from Flipkart, by the way, for ₹20. Yeah, it's that cheap. But anyway, you can get this cork light from any other local electric shop. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get into the tutorial. So the things that you're going to be needing are one transparent glass bottle like this, a cork light which you can get easily from any electrical shop, and some rope and one glue gun. You can also use any other super glue. I used glue gun in mine. So at first we will leave a little bit of gap right in the middle of the rope, and then we will glue it on the head of the bottle using glue gun. So this is going to be the handle of our bottle so that we can hang it wherever we want to. And after we're done with that, I am going to glue the remaining part of the rope on the head of the bottle right around it, and then I am going to cut the extra part of the rope off. And so I'm going to do the same with the other end of the rope as well, and then I am going to cut the extra off after I'm done gluing it. And this is how it should look like after everything is done, and the handle is secured now so that it can be hung easily. So next up, we are going to insert the string of the cork light inside this bottle, and be very careful while doing it because these lights are very sensitive and can break any time. And we're going to insert all the string inside this bottle except for the cork part, and yeah, we're going to light it up. So this is how it looks like with the lights off, and guys, doesn't it look so pretty? I mean, I'm in love with this one. So yeah, that is how I made this pretty thing over here. You guys also do not forget to make one for yourselves, and do comment down below if you like it or not, and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked this whole video, and especially this pretty little thing over here. So yeah, and yeah, share this video with everybody, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload. I will see you in my next video. Till that time, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.